Okay, so I decided today I was going to kind of get ready and decided I wanted to do kind of like a little brow thing. Because you guys, I've always struggled with my brows. So maybe this is like brows for dummies, perhaps. So, and I'm still not the best at it, but I just want to dive right in and get started. So this is just the color Indigo right here. And I use this to kind of like outline my brows. So to start, you'll just take it right here and just kind of, I just make a dot, okay? And then this brow, it is a little shorter, so I have to draw it in a little bit more. So just make kind of outlining, and then as you know, from the corner of your nose, pupil, and then here, that's where your arch is going to be. And I know I look a little crazy, okay, but it's fine, it's fine. And then from here, this is the one I always struggle with because my brows end short. So if you just take it, the corner of your eye like that, and then you're just going to make a dot. So that's how far I need to kind of fill in the brows to fit with my face. And I don't do this every time, but like for the first little bit until you kind of get an idea. Okay, so now that I kind of have it outlined, I'm going to move onto, this is the Toribelle brow thing, and so I've just started using this and it's awesome. So what comes in it, you get like this little brush right here, these brow pencils, and then this is the brow gel. And so I'm kind of funny, I like to keep things nice until I need to use them, and I'll probably be showing people this in person, so I'm not going to use the brush. So I'll just use this one. This is just my mascara multitasker. Here comes Jackson. This is in the color dark brown. And I think he's getting into stuff. I have to check. Okay, I'm back. So we're just going to use the Toribelle brow gel. And this, it's really workable when it's wet, but then when it's dry, then it's kind of locked in place. So that's why I kind of outline with this one, because you can kind of get rid of the dots. So there's a ton of product in here. This is going to last forever. So just start, and then just get a little bit, and I just start on the spots that I want it, I guess, the darkest. I'm just going to kind of work that arch, because I don't really have much of one. This is kind of hard to do in the phone, but, and then see how I'm just connecting it to that point. Okay. And then I'll just kind of take it and work it into that point. And then with whatever's left on my brush, just kind of fill in those areas. Okay, it is a little bit difficult not looking in the mirror, but I'll probably fix it a little bit after. But you get the point, right? Alright, so we're going to move on to the other one. So that's where the arch is going to be. bring it down to that point. And you see the dot. So I know that brows can be scary, but this just like has really helped me feel a little bit more confident in doing my brows. And I feel like it helps frame your face so much better. Okay, so now, like before it gets too dry, I'm just going to kind of go over it with this, and it just kind of lightens it a little bit and blends it so it doesn't look so harsh. And then I'm just going to kind of clean up if there's any little pieces that need cleaned up. Okay, so that's it for brows. I hope that was helpful. Just ask me questions. Just quick review. I just put little dots, so on the corner of your nose and then here, and then the corner of your nose through the pupil, and then up to your brow. That's where the arch will be. And then the corner of your nose, the eye, and then here. So anyway, yeah, if you have questions, hope that was helpful. And the products I use, and I use the indigo like for my brows if I'm traveling or if I just want to do something quick. But it works great to do the dots too. So that was just the indigo, and then I use the Toribelle brow gel. Okay, see ya.